Hello, I am Gunjan Waghule from Bajaj Institute of Technology, Vartha, and I am going to tell you about ammeter. So stay tuned up till the end. Ammeter. Ammeter is a meter used to measure the current in a circuit. As we all know, the current is a flow of electron whose unit is ampere, and the instrument which measures the flow of current in ampere is known as ampere meter or ammeter. The ideal ammeter has a zero internal resistance, but practically the ammeter has small internal resistance, and the measuring range of the ammeter always depend on the value of resistance. And here is the symbolic representation, that is capital alphabet A represent the ammeter in the circuit. Now talking about the connection of ammeter in circuit. Ammeter is always connected in series with the circuit so that the whole electrons of measurement current passes through the ammeter, and the power loss occur in the ammeter is just because of the measurement current and their internal resistance. And the ammeter circuit has a low resistance so that the small voltage drop occur in the circuit, and the resistance of the ammeter is kept low just because of the two reasons. The first reason behind that is the whole measurement current passes through the ammeter, and the second is the low voltage drop occur across the ammeter. Now the types of ammeter. Classification of ammeter depends on their design and the type of current flow through the ammeter, and the types of the ammeter regarding their construction, design, and their flow of current through the ammeter, that is permanent moving coil ammeter, moving iron ammeter, electrodynamometer ammeter, rectifier type ammeter. These are the four types of ammeter, and by the current ammeter categorized into the two types, that is the first one is AC current, AC ammeter, and the second one is the DC ammeter. PMMC, that is permanent moving coil ammeter, used only for the measurement of the direct current, and the second ammeter is moving coil ammeter. The moving coil ammeter measure both alternating and direct current, whereas in electrodynamometer ammeter it is used for the measurement of both AC and DC, and a rectifier ammeter it is used for measuring the alternating current. Now ammeter circuit diagram. Construction of ammeter can be done in two ways, like series and shunt, and the following circuit represent the basic circuit diagram and the basic circuit diagram. Once this device is connected in series in the circuit, then the total measurement current will flow through the meter. So the loss of power occurs within the ammeter due to their internal resistance and the measurement current. This circuit include less resistance, so less voltage drop will occur within the circuit. Here the resistance of this device is kept small due to the reason, like the total measurement current will flow throughout the ammeter and less voltage drop will occur across the device. When the high current flow through this device, the internal circuit of the device will be damaged. To overcome this problem in the circuit, the shunt resistance can be connected within parallel to the ammeter. If the huge measurement current supply throughout the circuit, then the main current will pass throughout the shunt resistance, and this resistance will not have an effect on the function of a device. Now their applications. The applications of ammeter include the various applications across the school, industry, and in various field also. And the first application of this device will range from school to industries, and these are used to measure the current flow in the building to ensure that the flow is not too low or too high. And it is also used in manufacturing and instrumentation companies to check the functionality of the device. And it is also used with a thermocouple to check the temperature. And whereas electricians also frequently use this device to check the fault of the circuit and this in the building. Now let's go to the ammeter circuit, and I am using the every circuit app to stimulate the ammeter circuit. Now first we have to pick up the resistor, voltage source, ammeter and lamp from the component list. Then ground is already given, as without ground your circuit cannot be complete. Now connect the whole circuit. After that, start the simulation by pressing the run button, that is in the corner, left corner, and then in ammeter it show the amount of current flowing through it. After connecting the all components, we form a circuit in which ammeter is connected in series with the circuit. And after simulation, it will show you that how much current is flowing through the ammeter. And yes, one thing I must tell you that this every circuit app is a very fantastic app to use for the simulation to show simulation of circuits and much more things to explore in this app. In Especially in the electrical field, it is very useful. So this is how, and this is all about the ammeter. And yes, thank you for watching full video.